Production of pulses and oilseeds in the country. As per the fourth advance estimates of 2021 to 2022, the production of pulses and oilseeds is 27.69 million tons and 37.69 million tons respectively. The production of pulses increased from 23.03 million tons to 27.69 million tons, and oilseeds increased from 33.21 million tons to 37.69 million tons during 2021 to 2022 compared to 2019 to 2020. Timeline for reserving verdict. As per the extant provisions of Civil Procedure Code 1908 under Rule 1, Sub-Rule 1 of Order 20, it is mandated that the court shall pronounce judgment either at once or as soon as predictable within 30 days from the date on which the hearing of the case was concluded. This period of time can be extended beyond 60 days only under exceptional and extraordinary circumstances. Defense exports have now crossed rupees 14,000 crore. We are well on course to achieve rupees 25,000 crore target by 2025. Sri Rajnath Singh. India has emerged as a self-assured and self-reliant nation which believes in working together for the collective well-being. A dynamic startup ecosystem has been created in the country in line with the Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The number of registered startups in the country has seen a massive jump from just 400 to 500 in 2014 to over 80,000 in 2022. Cultivation of short duration varieties of rice for straw management. As per Indian Council of Agricultural Research and State Agriculture Universities, the cultivation of short duration varieties provide extended window between Kharif harvesting of paddy and wheat sowing for Rabi, thereby giving sufficient time to the rice farmers for in situ management and removal of excess paddy straw. Increasing problem of stubble burning. Sustainable alternative towards affordable transportation initiative of the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas involves extracting economic value from biomass or waste including rice straw to generate compressed biogas as an alternative green transport fuel. For more updates, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel RICE Smart Bangla.